Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be working on a beautiful green floral cake, and the first thing we do as usual is ice down our cake using buttercream icing, and we're going to be using a piping bag for this, and as usual a scraper. We will use a scraper to smooth down the sides of our cake, taking off any excess icing as we go. We take off the excess icing on the edge of our cake and we use a scraper to scrape that down and ensure it is smooth and ready. Now the next thing we do is prepare the accessories. We're using wafer paper and we are cutting that into squares, and we will cut each square into the shape of a leaf. Then we take a florist wire and cut that into little bits. We then rub that with some piping gel and also apply on the wafer paper, and then stick the two of them together. Then you take a piece of wafer paper to secure the end of the florist wire. Now we mist this down with some water and let this dry. We take another wafer paper and we cut a diagonal line down the middle of that. Then you measure about half an inch for each section. Then you take one piece of the paper and then bend it, make a straight line down the middle so you can have like a curve in it. We begin to assemble the petals so we can form our beautiful flower, which will sit right in front of the cake. To color our wafer paper, we're using edible gold dust, which we're just going to brush over the petals. Now it's time to decorate our cake using the accessories. Gently press the rectangle wafer paper onto the cake, making sure it sticks flush to the cake. Be as gentle as possible so you don't leave fingerprints on it or on the cake. Now we highlight the edge of the paper, the last detail to our cake, to give it a finished look. There you have it, guys. We are done with the cake. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button down below, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another post. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.